So yesterday, while reading some comments on YouTube, someone mentioned if I could. I was 3D printing these faces, smudger faces, and I read the comment. They say that probably I could make a smudger. So I went and go ahead and redesign something in just a little time. So here's my take on smudger. Remember, smudger. I'm trying to stick to the original design. And according to this wiki fandom, I think it is, they share the same shape model. Let me try to see that. That is the exact um, dimensions I try to recreate, even this little piece here. Now, it has been redesigned again. This was my first prototype, my first take. So I have in hand I have this material one, but let me tell you something. If you try to compare a Trackmaster model to the original TV series, does not look at all like they should. So I'm trying to keep alive the no, here is one more thing. The original models. Look, here's one more thing. Look, this is my other redesigned. This is different sleeve adapter for. Now here's what happened when I use a normal extension sleeve. The top travels longer distance. This one is short, obviously. Travels longer distance. So I'm gonna try to illustrate you, see how this thing looks. Actually works. So here's my what is this? Is not the one. Never mind, I found it. It needs to be a little longer. So there it goes. I was about to cut the video and say, you know what, I gotta redo it. Now this way it travels longer, so I had to do this long slot. uh, that's the way it works when you have a straight sleeve, this one. So in order to make this perform better, it's redesigned on this shape, so it will travel less and I don't have to have, see that there, that's it. So it's basically this almost the same as the original. See right there, let's compare side by side. This way the switch, the lever doesn't travel a long distance all the way, across the entire cab. So my new redesigned model, it has been updated. I'm actually printing resin for my tail, and I'm printing FDM for heat toy. I don't know if the heat toy and Tomy are the same, but I think they're the same. I don't have any Tomy on hand. I already have a heat toy. See, since I jumped from FDM to resin, these things are sitting and I barely use them. And while we are here, I'm going to print the prototype part. So there is the heat toy shell for. Oh, look at the. I don't know if you can see the nameplate right there. Obviously, it's not the same as the resin. There's the nameplate, but it's a prototyping. So there is the resin printer working. I'm actually printing two shells at the same time, and the sleeves. So that's about 3 hours, and actually will take me to print two shells 4 hours. And here we have some smudger faces resin printed. I'm about to remove some supports to show you, to share with you guys how these supports came out. And here's something else. I 3D printed this accessory I think it's called dolly, baggage cart or whatever. I totally forgot. But look at the details of this little thing. But I need to adjust something. It's the this is another model. See these tiny wheels? The axle is very thin and does not come out good. So, anyways, I'm doing prototype all the time. So, see the axle? It's like a hair thick, a little bit double, twice as thick as the hair. And when pulling, look at that. Pulling the supports, I rip off that part. But the good thing is that I could make it thicker, so we can get better finished product. It's for decoration, so we can put this on the platforms. That's really cool. So that machine does everything. I just basically click and print, and this thing does everything by itself. Even the does have some assistance. If you have any problems, these machines is really good. Abandoned projects. Okay, I have the part printed. Just need to peel off support, and fits like a glove. Look at that, tight. You don't need glue. So this is these are for projects on the new model I'm doing. Remember, I'm trying to stick to the how can I say? Once you put this side by side and compare it to the original thing. I mean, I'm doing this as a hobby, obviously, but once you put those side by side, and this one does not, it does not even look like it should be, you know. But with these new models I'm doing, they look close to the original deal thing, you know. But that's the advantage you have when you are doing your things. Okay, here are some. Here's the heat toy. We are printing the heat toy shell. This one is actually the heat toy company. Yes. Yeah, I never finished it. This thing. You know, I keep improving, making more things and more and more and more, and I barely have time. Okay, let's see how these supports came out of my model. See that? Beautiful. Just slight sanding on these support marks, and we're good to go. So this face has been designed for Reneas. If someone wants to paint their own Reneas, just get the face. There's the face. So we can just paint the face and glue it to this this part, but you need to trim down, shape this little ring and on this mock box and glue it, and you'll have a perfect model. I was about to say another name, Smudger. So yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. But side by side, I think it's, anyways. So there's one more thing I added to the for resin. It's better. I mean, once you paint these models, resin, you can do the lining very easy. Just use a marker, and you don't have to worry about putting stickers. Stickers are really bad. They don't match the shade of the model you're painting. Now I have the nameplate. You see it right there, Smudger, right there. And I also added the coil bunkers. Is that the way you call it? Coil bunkers? So this will be a fun project to get it done. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. See, the only problem I have is I keep making more things every day. I like to make this a reality, something that's never existed before. That's what I like to keep creating and printing. I barely have time to paint, so it's better to have the physical object than just try to finish one model. Takes time and does not let me create. So we're waiting for the resin models that are about to be done anytime soon. Let me know your thoughts.